Alright mga kapatid, have a pleasant wonderful day to each and everyone. This is the day that we have to celebrate the 15th year anniversary of our GSBC in the congregation that we are working, mga kapatid, in this ministry. So, the legacy of an eternal inheritance that we will receive of the Lord Jesus Christ, we're gonna work it out and we're celebrating for His goodness and faithfulness once again. So, 15 years na mga kapatid ang pagsasaulog ng ating congregation dito sa GSP. Kaya napaka-bless po ng bawat isa. As you can see, everyone is very busy and they are overwhelmed because this celebration is not just only by Dubai, but 3 occasions mga kapatid, from Ras Al Khaimah, Abu Dhabi, in Dubai. Wow. So it's a really big occasion and celebration for this moment in this gathering to all the workers and the ministry of Jesus Christ.